Imagine paying thousands of times the actual value for a resource that literally falls from the sky. Welcome back. Today we're diving deep into the ultimate heist of the world's most vital resource. How do you convince people to buy bottled water when it's already free from their kitchen sink? You manufacture demand. The 1992 Dublin Principles declared that water should be recognized as an economic good.
Top executives called tap water their biggest enemy, scaring consumers about municipal water safety.
They seduced the public with labels depicting pristine glaciers, virgin rainforests, and remote mountain streams. Roughly 1/3 of bottled water in the US, including Aquafina and Decay, is just filtered tap water. People in the US alone purchase over 500 million bottles of water every week. Companies like Nestle pumped hundreds of millions of dollars of groundwater for a mere $200 annual fee. Michigan households pay 6,666 times more per gallon than these companies pay to drain aquifers. In California, almonds require 1 entire gallon of water to produce a single nut. California gave away a $74 million water storage facility to private agribusiness interests. Investors like Michael Burry buy water-rich farmland to grow and export water-intensive crops. In 1989, the UK government completely privatized the water and sewerage industry, debt-free. Over 35 years, these companies extracted up to $85 billion in dividends while racking up $60 billion in debt. The result? Millions of hours of untreated sewage being dumped into rivers and coastal waters. The UN warns of a projected 40% gap between global water demand and supply by 2030. Water futures are traded on the Chicago Mercantile Exchange, letting investors bet on droughts. Between 2000 and 2015, over 235 cities, including Paris and Berlin, remunicipalized their water systems. We must demand democratized water districts, eliminate paper water trades, and invest in public infrastructure. The true value of water lies not in its price, but in its absolute necessity for life on Earth. If this opened your eyes, subscribe, share this video, and let's take back the tap. Please subscribe and remember to hit that like button.